Hello there, would you like a personal report to really get to know thyself? Now here, I'm going to show you an example. I've got a numerology report for Stephen William Kirkbride, that is me. So what I'll do, I'm going to go through this report to show you some details. We'll go to the first page, and what you'll notice, there's a lot of numbers there. It's not to be frightened of. It's your life path, your expression, that's your name number, your soul urge, that's what you've got coming in your soul. A lot of you healers, I can almost guess your soul urge number, yeah, and your birthday number. So I've got a number 3. So when I was younger, I liked to drink and party. That's the 3 and the 5s. They're the party numbers. Yeah. Then I've got repeated 3s. I've got a 6 karmic lesson. Yes. And intensity points. They're very important. I've got a number 1 challenge. That's very important. We'll see that. And a number 9 maturity number, which means I'm going to give a lot away as I get older. Now, I've got my current core, which is today we're speaking. These numbers don't change. If you're a lady and your name changes, you'll obviously have different numbers. You've been married or change your name or adoption or something like this, yeah? Now, we'll launch into this now. I'll skip the introduction because I've already done that. And I'll show you now. I'm an 8 life path with a number 1 name number, power and power. Therefore, we've got a strong business ability and powerful leadership potential, and your need to have your own way, which sometimes is a burden to myself. I've had my fingers burnt with that one. Then we'll skip another page. We've got the karmic debt that comes from my name. You'll probably have considerable work to do in this life to live your life realistically. Wow, yeah, don't I know it. There's my 1 challenge. The pressures in childhood and adolescence may keep you in a dependent position no matter how much effort you exert. Yeah, true. Now, we'll get here now. This is my favourite. I love this one, yeah. The number 7 soul urge. This is spiritual. Your analytical, introspective side. Now, that's, you can read it, right, because it's a lovely paragraph there, well, paragraphs, and you'll really enjoy that part of me. That's the part you meet at shows, actually, that side of me. Now, getting to my 3 birthday number, what I've mentioned earlier, your social and creative side. You can't have a party without the 3 and the 5, so I'm good at parties. Well, I used to be anyway. Now, some other matters to consider, your 2 intensity point, again from your name, your karmic lesson, again for your name, another intensity point, number 9, and maturity number, which says I'm going to be very, very generous later on in life. And that's my report, just about all done there. There's some other bits to it. This was last year, so it's last year's report. I was in a 7 personal year. This year I'm in a number 8 personal year. Now that personal year is very telling on how your year will run. This is a very important part of this report, so you'll be able to download this report and go through my report in depth, and if you want one, you can come to us and we'll be delighted to provide a report to you. And you can see the price, the retail at £14.95. They're a bargain. All that information cheap as chips. Goodbye.